Welcome to the Gossip Analytics Unity SDK integration, a fast overview of how to deploy XR telemetry inside a Unity project. The SDK workflow follows 4 steps: dependencies, installation, scene configuration, and finally, telemetry capture through Tracker. Before installing the SDK, ensure your XR stack is ready with OpenXR, Unity XR plugins, and required runtime dependencies. Install the SDK through Unity Package Manager using the repository Git URL, or manually import the package into your Assets folder. Next, create the Gossip Analytics Settings asset inside the Resources folder and configure dev, beta, and production environments. Add Gossip Manager to control the SDK lifecycle and enable XR Bootstrap to initialize OpenXR tracking. Trackers are Unity components that capture telemetry from the player, the application, and the underlying hardware. Session and device trackers record lifecycle events, connectivity status, device performance, and platform diagnostics. Application-level trackers capture gameplay state, experience metrics, and audio signals generated during runtime. Spatial trackers monitor movement, posture, balance, and position to understand how users navigate immersive environments. Interaction trackers capture controller usage, object interactions, and peripheral activity within the XR scene. When supported by hardware, eye tracking captures gaze direction and feeds spatial attention analytics. Telemetry signals power coordinate and image-based heat maps, enabling visual analysis of user behavior. If something fails, run the diagnostic checklist. Verify environment sync, heat map settings, scene components, and permissions. Gossip Analytics is now ready. For support, documentation, or issue tracking, visit the repository or contact the support team.